I don't know if y'all can see this. I don't know where they went.
They're out there.
There are birds over there mating. They are getting at it.
Oh yeah.
Get it, bro-y. Get it.
Hit it, bro.
Get it, bro. You see him? Can you see him? Whoa, where'd they go? Get it, bro. Get it. The tree's in the way. They disappeared, they're gone. Sorry guys, the mating birdies are gone now. And it's really windy and I know I have sex hair, but that was just for your entertainment. Yeah, we wanted y'all to see how birds have sex prior to us.